Hello guys, I have seen a lot of peoples are struggling to shade their illustrations, so I have created a brush pack. It will help you to create stunning illustrations. So there are three types of brushes, like small, medium and large. The variation depends on the scale of these grunge pieces. Larger the side, thicker the stroke, and like vice. So the top three, as you can see, are bigger in size to cover the shadow, and can be used with variety of tricks. And these three are a bit lighter like grains and can be used as highlights, and this one can be used as for stylization or give a style like the bottom two brushes, and this one belong to the litter family. So I will demonstrate how to use these brush and shade a character.